Samoan. So once after I got, got found out, I got raided and so forth. They when came busting me, and then I immediately the next day, okay, they took all my stuff. I'm teaching Samoan. So my very first Instagram post was the day before that I got raided by the feds. I got raided by the feds. So well, no, I was already posting on there, but it was my very first Samoan Instagram post. I put it like that. That's when
Mm.
the day before that I was raided by the feds, and then so I just was every single day. I was like, okay, I'm gonna show people how to learn, the way that I learned Samoan.
Bro, so
Some people,
you literally did something others would call negative, but you were always looking at the positive side of it. You were trying to do something positive, but you needed the funds. So that's why you
right? Yeah,
bro, you
that's
always had
exactly
a
what
good
I
head
did.
on your shoulders, so your good intentions turned out to put you under the Fed's radar.
Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate, but so it's so when I decided to go that route, like I did that. The, I got lazy because once you start getting like, if you can say, okay, I'm wake up, I'm gonna make 10,000. You make however much money you want in a day. I just got lazy, so I just kept dragging it on when I was gonna stop. And when things started, you can feel when like people are watching you, like people are looking at you, everything that I started seeing like in the movies, and I was like, okay, that's movie stuff. That's never gonna happen to me. It actually happened to me. So when when I'm in the court and like what do you call it? They give you the it's called discovery. When they give you the discovery and they're showing you all of the footage that they have on you and all of the surveillance and all I'm like, oh my God, this looks like a movie. It looks like, raw pieces of a movie. And the reason why I decided to tell my story myself is because the news is telling it. So
Yeah.
it's like, okay, I'm gonna tell my own story. You're not gonna, there was a reason why I did certain things. I got into a bad spot. People get into bad spots. I didn't hurt anybody, at least I didn't feel like it. And I did what I did. I can't change it, but it was what it was. So um that was my journey.
Along those